Assalamualaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope y'all are doing good. So today I'm going to make a sauce which is tamarind sauce. So here I'm taking 125 grams of tamarind and I've taken out the pulp, and here is its water. So here I'm taking half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, and 1 tablespoon of red chilies. So let's start making this. First we have to boil it. And its water. To give it a little roast, I'm adding here dry coriander, red chilies, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and black pepper, carom seeds. So we have to give it a little roast. We will give it light roast and then we will crush it. We don't have to make a powder. We will grind it, but a little bit, roughly grind. Okay. In this stage, you can feel the aroma of these spices. So awesome. And that's it. Grind this. Roughly grind. Roughly grind it, as you can see. It's not a fine powder. So here I'm taking 1 cup of sugar. You can take it as per your taste. Around 1 cup of water. And we have to boil it, cook it a little bit. So now it's getting boiled. We have to cook it for around 10 minutes. So it will become thick. I'm gonna add sugar. So it will completely dissolve. So now after 5 to 6 minutes, it's becoming thick. So we will add the grinded spices. So now after adding these spices, you can check the consistency. We have to cook it more. So now at this stage, check this consistency. It should be thick like this, and turn off the stove. Now I'm going to dish it out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now our sweet and sour tamarind sauce is ready. It's so delicious and so sour and sweet, such a yummy sauce. Must try this recipe at your home. So we will let it cool, then it's ready to serve. If you guys like this recipe, if you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.